guys, this is Nana. Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna go about looking for apartments. I have been for the past like 6 months now almost. My rent is almost up. In a few weeks I have to move. So today I'm gonna go around, meet with two realtors, and they're gonna show me two different apartments, and you can see how much you can get for your buck in Accra, Ghana. In Ghana, you're supposed to pay a year or two in advance of your rent before you can get a place. Like legally, you're supposed to pay 6 months, but in the People's Court, you have to pay a year or two. So Accra real estate does not make any sense, as you would see today, but I'm still gonna go look. I got them through this app called gg.com. It's a fairly new app. You go in there, it's like a buy and sell app. So I went in there, I put in exactly the kinds of apartment, the kind of neighborhood, my budget in, and then it gave me a lot of options. I went through and I picked this two, because they kind of like seem a lot more like legit, because scammers is also a thing you have to look for when you're renting a place in Ghana. So yeah, let's just go around and see what you can get, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Let's go. Four. Because the way I'm seeing here, we're definitely gonna have to paint it.
Oh, only clean.
Only because I find that.
Like I was saying that.
So it's like pretty new, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's ensuite. Okay guys, so I am outside of the house and next to the road trying to figure out how to get out of here, because this place is very inland and dusty, but it seems like a new old settlement kind of place. The house is pretty cool actually, but we're moving on to the next one. Hey guys, so we are looking at the third one. I don't know, it's very big, it's very spacious for the neighborhood. So guys, now I'm armed with a lot of information, so I'm gonna go ahead and have a think about it and kind of decide what I want, where I want to be. There's so many things I did not know that now I know about Accra real estate. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and figure out exactly what it is I want, where I want to live, and all that good stuff. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything, just put them down in the comment section and I'll be there to answer it. If you want to add anything onto this because you're familiar with the terrain, you are welcome to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video, hopefully with a new apartment. Take care.